back to Chuck's Daily Hustle. If you haven't already, y'all, just make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. And then follow me on all the social media platforms, y'all. The links are in the description below. And then you have to smash that notification bell right next to the subscribe button, man. That way you can stay up to date with what I have going on. And then don't forget, y'all, man, shop Major Nation merch, y'all. I got the links in the description below for that. And y'all know I got a whole bunch of other stuff. So if you actually check out the description, you might actually make some money today. But anyways, man, we are moving and grooving like we always are, y'all. I'm on my way right now. I'm in the 05 Dodge Grand Caravan. I am bringing this out to the office, and we're gonna leave that there, and then hopefully we get this thing sold. The internet is going crazy for this joint. Like I told y'all before, man, I got it cleaned up. It's got its little, issues or whatever. Somebody's gonna come out, they're gonna drive it, and they're gonna love the car, because as y'all can see, I'm rolling. I'm doing almost 70 miles per hour. The tires are good, the engine, the trainee's tight, and that's what's gonna sell the car for somebody that needs a commuter. It's got hot heat. It's cold outside, so like I told you, I wasn't trying to go too far with the car, and I wanted to put it out there at a good, reasonable price, man. But I'm in traffic right now, and we driving, and it's horrible right now, like it always is. Never fails. As y'all can see, it's just crazy, y'all. That whole bridge, just nuts. Yeah, man. So anyways, man, I'm on my way out to the office. My brother Twan's gonna meet me out there today. Everybody just had a successful day yesterday, so if you haven't already, go watch that video. And I like I said before on a previous video, man, I could not be more blessed and grateful for the things that are going. And yeah, y'all saw me, man. If you've been watching the vlogs and you've been watching the channel, then man, it was getting nuts out there, man. But we persevered through that joint, man, and we're looking for better days here, and I'm excited. So anyways, man, let me get on this road. Let me not talk y'all ear off. Let's get some more action. Also, man, comment below if y'all noticed, man. So everybody that's been rocking with me, y'all noticed that the last couple of videos I've been like adding sound effects on the videos, and kind of like just doing a little bit more like detail in the videos. Let me know how y'all feel about that. I'm not going to change it, I'm just going to make it better, but just let me know how y'all feel about that, as far as like it having sound effects and not having sound effects. But let's get on the road, let's get it, let's go. I'm up. We up. Y'all tell me I was on E, man. I thought I was gonna make a 40-minute drive with that. Not happening, man. Gotta fuel up, man. Let's get it. We are, y'all, at storage. So dropping the van. Just for a second though, we got to get this thing posted, man. So this is the 07 Saturn view that I got. I don't know if I showed y'all this or not. Y'all know it's just been a lot going on, so I don't even know, but I'm gonna show you again anyway. I'm gonna take these pictures real quick, run to the office, vacuum this joint out, and then I gotta bring it back because we got somebody that want to come look at the Dodge Grand Caravan later on tonight. So we need to get that back over there to the lot, so then we'll be straight. So, but we gotta vacuum this out, get this looking better, so that way when somebody comes out or want to come out, we're not scrambling trying to clean out the door jams and all that stuff. So this joint's ready to go. I was gonna show you all this too, man. I don't know if y'all caught this, but this headliner's messed up, man. So I got me some 3M headliner adhesive that I just bought, man. This thing cost $25, y'all. It's crazy. Because I lost my other can. I don't know what the heck I did with that. That was way cheaper back in the day. I had that for a couple years, so I lost that. So now I got to repair that joint real quick, and then we should be straight, man. So hopefully she buys it, and then we'll be good. But let's get to it. I'm trying to knock this out. I'll show y'all the finished result, actually. How it looks once I put this adhesive on there. All right, y'all, so this is the finished result. It doesn't look perfect, but it looks better than what it was, man. And so we're gonna run with that, and we're gonna be straight. So it's time for us to get on the road, get to where we gotta go. Make sure I don't lock these keys in this car, y'all, because I'm known for doing that. So let's see. I think I lost them. So I gotta find these keys now. But let's go take these pictures, man, and get to it. All right, y'all. We are at storage. I mean, not storage. We're at the car lot, y'all. I gotta move quick, and I gotta get this car clean because my brother come to pick me up, so he's my ride. So I gotta get done in a timely fashion, and then I gotta swap this car again and make it all the way back here. So let's keep it moving. That's what you call a quick clean, y'all. So see what I did? I got rid of, I don't even know if I showed y'all that, but I just got rid of the plastics. I did a quick wipe down and a quick vacuum, and we're good, man. So put that in the spot. I'm not going to actually swap the car out because my brother's here already. So Tremaine's going to have to do that when he sells the car. But so let's get in the car with him. Let's get on the road. Let's get it. All right, y'all. So got that done. As y'all can see, man, I'm in the car with bro, with Tweezy, man. So now it's time to get back to the Kriznib, man. I have nothing going on really besides, as y'all know, the 05 Dodge Grand Caravan. Jermaine's going to show that joint for us later, well, for me later on tonight. And then I'm good, man. So I'm about to go basically eat good, get the kiddos together, man, and then go from there, man. So I'm gonna make this one a 2-day vlog, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Peace. What's going on, y'all? So it is like 3 days later, maybe. I know that it's past the weekend, so I hope y'all all had a good weekend like I did. I hope you made some blue faces, and I hope everything went the way you wanted it to, man. But right now, y'all, we got a lot going on, man. I think people started getting money today, so I got a lot of people hitting me up. So I'm trying to get some things sold, man. So right now, the Volkswagen Jetta, y'all, the 07 Volkswagen Jetta got done. It was just a starter. Then we put a brake light in. That way that light comes off of the dash and it doesn't look like, you know, the dash is lit up like a Christmas tree. So we got that. I'm about to swap that with a 06 Grand Caravan. I don't think y'all saw that. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys that car. And then we got an appointment set up, man. So I got appointment set up for the 2012 Dodge Grand Caravan. Is that yep, it's a Dodge Grand Caravan. I got an appointment set up for the Volkswagen Jetta, and then there's a third car that I got an appointment set up for as well. So I'm just trying to get all these cars going, man. I'm just, you know, it's time to get going, man. So got to get rid of this batch, man. I got a lot of cars that I want out of there, man. So let's get it done. Let's get a new batch in. Let's make some more blue cheese. You know what I mean? Let's get some more auction walk around videos going. Let's get some more. You know what I mean? That's all I can say is more. Let's have some fun. And that's where I'm at with it, man. So if y'all know, if y'all been watching my videos, y'all know I get depressed when I don't sell cars. It's not even necessarily about the money. It's more about like me not having nothing to do and me like just not. I just hate seeing the same cars over and over. I feel like they should just be. I should buy them, fix them, sell them. You know what I'm saying? But it's been tough, man, getting people out here. If you guys know, man, I'm out in Ramsey, Minnesota, and that's pretty far from the cities. Not really for me. It's like 20, 25 minutes, 30 minutes. But when it comes to other people, they don't like driving like that, so it's kind of hard to get people out here. But you know, it is what it is, man. I just gotta get my marketing up, and then we'll get it all taken care of. I'm not really tripping. But as you guys can see, I'm still busy, and we still gotta, you know, expand. Unfortunately, if you guys been watching, y'all remember. I'm surprised nobody even commented or even mentioned that we don't have any helpers anymore. For the most part, I'm really just rocking with my brothers, and we're just doing it with that. You know what I mean? And Tremaine. So, but as far as like the helpers go, man, they just didn't work out. It just wasn't a good fit for them, and so we had to just let them go. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I've been, you know, on my lonesome, which is perfectly fine with me. less stress, less of a headache, and it is what it is, you know. So that's what it is, man. I just wanted to give y'all a little quick summary. We'll get on this road. We're actually on the road right now, y'all. So on the road, let's get to the money. Get a little bit of energy. Y'all can bring some energy onto this camera. Let's get it. Let's go. All right, y'all. Here we are at the lot, and here's the van. '06, man. Show y'all the outside of this joint real quick. This car ride real good, man. It's got a check engine light on for evap, which I'm not pressed about, but this headlight doesn't work. So we're gonna change the headlight bulb, and then I forgot what else. And then also we were told that it's got a coolant leak in it, so I'm gonna have Chris pressure check that joint, get this detailed, and we should be straight, man. So I'm gonna do the mechanic work, of course. Usually you want to do the mechanic work before you do the detail, y'all. So just showing y'all the inside of that joint. Pretty cool, man. This is pretty clean not town and country, Dodge Grand Caravan. What's up, Mike? Much. Yeah. So let me talk to Mike real quick about my car, and I'll be right back with you. All right, y'all, so we rolling right now. Update on that. So that was the Mike is the detailer that I got out there, man, and he moving real slow, man. So he said hopefully the car will be done today, and he's working on that '03 Honda Accord, y'all. So trying to get that thing going, man, and out of there. So just problems on top of problems, ain't it? So anyways, man, on to this Grand Caravan, man. This thing rides, y'all. Like, it's got 194,000 miles, man, but overall, man, this is a good car, you know. I might not even get a detail, man. I might end up doing this one myself, man, because I don't have time to be waiting on nobody. You know what I mean? So it's just like, whatever. But we will figure it out, man. We're just trying to keep it moving and grooving. Y'all know that. All right, y'all. Picking up the '06 Jetta. I mean, '07. There she is, finally done, man. So had to do the starter. We had to do the starter and the brake light. I already said that, didn't I? My bad, y'all. But yeah, we're gonna see how she rolled. Make sure she's still rolling the way she's supposed to, because we got appointment set up for this joint at 4 o'clock today. So trying to get everything situated, because we got a lot going on, y'all. So I don't want no hiccups. I just want cars being sold left and right today. So wish me luck, man. Hopefully the blue faces go in the pocket, and then we can get some more content, but let's get it. All right, y'all, I got a little bit more energy now, man, but I ended up getting the Saturn View people, they canceled on me, and then about 10 minutes after that, then the 2012 Grand Caravan people canceled on me, and then the '07 Volkswagen Jetta lady, she never even called or verified or anything like that. But I've been here, man, getting some stuff done that I didn't want to really do. So it is what it is, man. And then people been going crazy now about the '07 Jetta. So they've been contacting me. So we will see what happens. Let me see if I can pull this up for y'all so y'all can see kind of how my marketplace is looking, y'all. Let me hurry up real quick, because I don't feel like editing nothing out, man. Let's see. So look, man, this is my marketplace, y'all, on fleek right now. So it's just going and going and going, man. So yeah, man, so I'm just gonna wait around for a little bit, get some more stuff done. We just got a whole bunch of titles in the mail from Mannheim and all that stuff. So I gotta go through all that and do some stuff that I hate doing, which is sitting right here and not running around. But it is what it is, man. See y'all in a second. Got one confirmed, y'all. So wish me luck, man. Cross them fingers. Let's see what happens. You ever seen a person smile like that? Nah, man. I got rid of the Saturn View, so I'm super happy about that. She was supposed to be buying a Jetta. Oh, I gotta tell y'all what happened, man. So I go outside, man. This Jetta is like from hell, y'all. So I go outside. I start up the Jetta. I look down. The tire is completely flat. So I put air in it, and then I'm hearing hissing. So I cut off the air pump. Then sure enough, man. So something's in there that is making it leak. So tomorrow I'm gonna have to come out here. Well, let me just back it up. So luckily, she had took an Uber. So she took an Uber out here, and she was about 5 minutes away when I had noticed it. You know what I mean? So I hit her up and said, hey, I'm super sorry. I can give you a ride back. I know you took an Uber. I'll fix the flat tomorrow, and I'll just bring you the car. Just come out here and look at it, since you're already close. So she's like, well, I told her as well, I said, well, not to waste your time, I have a lot of cars out here. I'll just give you a good deal on, a car that's out here. So she came out, she drove the Saturn Vue, the black '07 Saturn Vue, and I gave it to her for the dirt, man. So $2,450 is what I sold her the car for, which is beyond, it's a player deal. And I just did that off GP. So sometimes, man, you just got to give those blessings on to people. I know that, I sold it very, very low, but at the same time, I got it at a good price. I made enough money on it. She got a good car. She's able to drive away confidently, and we're all straight there, man. So I'm happy about that. I completely forgot where I was at with the story before that, so it is what it is. But oh yeah, so I told her that the Jetta, I'm gonna have to get that tire, and I could have brought her back or whatever, and obviously she bought this car instead. So what I'm gonna do, man, is I'm going to end up packing up now, man. I'm tired as hell, and the day is over, man. I'm ready to get on to the next, man. So I'm gonna get off of here, man. I appreciate y'all, like I always say, man. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for being a part of Major Nation. Thanks for shopping with me. Thanks for just giving me that continuous support that you guys been doing. Everybody's been rocking with me, man. Like I said, I appreciate each and every single last one of y'all. If you haven't already, you're new to the channel, man. Like I said at the beginning of the video, man, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. And then don't forget, man, you have to follow me on all the social media platforms. The links are in the description below, as well as some other fun links, man. But I'm out. Peace.